Hey Claire, this is Lauren. So I wanted to show you how Class Dojo works, just because I know you said in your email that you're interested, and I figured just because I know we're so busy, I figured I'd give you just a quick little tutorial. So right now you would log into classdojo.com. I will show you what my account looks like. So I'm logging in, and the way it's organized is by class. This is currently my English 1 honors class. Yes, you do technically have to manually add your students' name, but it's very easy. It doesn't take very long. But I'm going to just use this demo class that this website offers. So if I were to click it, the way it operates, it's all sound operated. So I'm actually going to put my sound up high so you can hear this. But the beauty of this is that you can designate positive points, like if they're on task, participating and working hard, and when that student is, or if the whole class is, you can click on task. And I don't know if you heard that sound, but it's obviously a positive sound. You can click random and it will randomly pick students for you. So instead of you having to remember who you've called, you can click random and it'll do it for you, and you can ask Johnny Depp that question, and if they answer and if they try, you can go ahead and give them a point. If students are not on task, and of course this is something you'd want to do after you warn them, is you can remove a negative point. And you can do an off task, you can do talking out of turn, you can even do something of English only or Spanish only, since you teach Spanish. Let's just say in your upper classes, like English 3, where they're supposed to speak only Spanish, you can add that skill. And this is the sound that they would hear. Obviously, it is a negative sound. The beauty of this is you don't have to actually have this projected onto your PowerPoint or anything. You can just have the sounds going on and off throughout the period, and you'll notice students will be on task just simply by hearing the sounds. I like adding competition. So let's just say that this week, I say whoever are my top 3 students this week in participation, speaking in Spanish, are on task, will get extra credit on a quiz that you have at the end of the week. The way you find that out is, and obviously this is an easier, you could tell that Bradley Pitt would be first place, and then there would be a 3-way tie for second, and then third place would be Halle Berry. Well, let's just say you have 20 kids in a class, you can actually view reports. So the way that would work is you can pull a report as far back as the end of of months ago, of last week, and it will show you students that have had points removed. But it's a simple app that can be downloaded on your phone as well. That is also an amazing feature, is that I can literally walk around with my phone taking points, giving kids points, taking away points, and it would communicate to the website on my laptop. So the sounds are going off in my class, and it really does bring up student engagement. So yeah, just thought to show you quickly in an easy way. Instead of, I know, setting up a time to meet, we can totally do so if you have more questions, but I highly recommend if you want to kind of wake up your kids a little bit more. So yeah, hope you enjoy, Claire. Let me know if you have any questions.